Can you bring an injury claim for injuries in a boat accident? The answer is yes. You can bring a personal injury claim for injuries in a boat accident if you're not responsible for causing the accident. Every single injury claim is based on proving negligence. And that means if you're not at fault and somebody else is, you can bring an injury claim against that person for the injuries and damage you sustained. So, what type of damage can you claim in a boat accident injury claim? You can claim damages for pain and suffering. You can claim for your wage loss, the past wage loss and future wage loss. You can claim for the impact to your housekeeping. And ultimately, an injury claim is about damages. It's about understanding what you've lost in the short term and in the long term. But making an injury claim, especially after a boating accident, isn't always easy. My name's Jeff Mitchell. I'm a personal injury lawyer at Nova Injury Law, and I've represented many boat accident injury victims. And let me tell you, these claims are not straightforward, and many of my clients are surprised to know that the driver of the boat, or the owner of the boat, if it's not them, may actually blame them for the accident. And they're surprised because my client says I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was seated, I followed instructions, I was wearing a life jacket. It's not my fault. And then all of a sudden we get into the insurance claim process, and the insurance company says to me, well, Jeff, your client, they were standing, they weren't paying attention, they were drinking, they didn't have their life jacket on, they were horseplaying around the boat. And it's surprising to my client because it may not be true. But when insurance claims happen, people have an interest to protect their own interests. So, as a personal injury lawyer going about these boat accident injury claims, evidence is really important. I'm always keen to talk to witnesses to understand how the damage occurred, understand how the accident and the injuries actually happened. We want to document the injuries and go to the scene as best we can. Photos, statements, witness statements, there's a police report. We want to get that evidence because my job is to make a strong claim, a supported claim, and ultimately protect my client's rights to seek compensation after a boat accident injury claim. If you're watching this video, maybe you've been involved in a boat accident, or maybe you're watching this video for a family member or a loved one who's been injured in a boat accident. And if you are either of those, you should watch this video. You should consider these claims as ones that are more complex. It's not as straightforward as a car accident or when you slip and fall. So you probably have questions. I'm here to give you answers. At Nova Injury Law, I am all about giving people information and education so that they can make informed decisions about what to do next. So if you're sitting there with questions, just ask. I promise you I've been asked all of these questions before, and it's so easy for me to give you information. So, do you have questions about the accident, your injuries, what the insurance company will do, how to strategically go about a boat accident injury claim? If you do, just ask. You can reach out to me by the website, by chat, by phone, by text, by email, whatever is easiest for you. I just want to get you those answers. My team will get back to you the same day. And you'll see that there's a weight lifted off your shoulders when you have those answers. And you can say, all right, I know where I stand. I know what I can do next. And let's make a good decision. And if that good decision means that you hire my firm to help you through the claim, then great. If I can help you, I certainly will. But having answers is the first step. So ask your questions. We'll get back to you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I wish you the very best as you go about this process with a boat accident injury claim. Take care, and I hope to hear from you.